Hey guys, welcome to Focus Android YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add auto caption in Capcut Pro PC. Okay, let's get started. First, I will drag the video that I will add subtitle to. Hello guys, welcome to the Focus Android YouTube channel. In this following video, I will show you. Then click caption in the top menu. Here you can choose the language you speak in your video. So the Capcut makes caption more precise, but actually Capcut can detect your language automatically without selecting a language. Then on the left we can choose the template or caption model that we want. You can click to see the preview. Hello guys, welcome to the Focus Android YouTube channel. In this following video, hello guys, welcome to the Focus Android. If you are sure of your choice, click generate caption below here and we wait until the process is complete. Once the process is complete, you need to check if there is anything wrong with the text because it is not as perfect in detecting your voice. Hello guys, welcome to the Focus Android YouTube channel. In this following video, I will show you how to record the screen and your face at the same time. If there is something wrong, you just need to click on the wrong part, then you can edit here. And finally, you can export this video if everything is okay. Okay, I hope you found this video is useful. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in another video.